Border Collie versus Australian Cattle Dog, health concerns. When it comes to choosing a dog breed, health concerns should be one of the top priorities. Two popular breeds that often come into comparison in this regard are the Border Collie and the Australian Cattle Dog. Both breeds are known for their high energy levels, intelligence, and loyalty. However, they do have some health issues that potential owners need to be aware of. In this article, we will explore the common health concerns associated with Border Collies and Australian Cattle Dogs. Border Collies are generally a healthy breed with a life expectancy of 12 to 15 years. However, like all breeds, they are prone to certain health conditions. One of the most prevalent is hip dysplasia, a painful condition in which the hip joint doesn't develop properly. This can lead to arthritis and lameness in the affected joint. Border Collies are also susceptible to certain eye disorders, including progressive retinal atrophy, PRA, and Collie eye anomaly, CEA. PRA is a gradual degeneration of the retina, which can ultimately lead to blindness. CEA, on the other hand, is an inherited condition that causes malformation of the eye. It is important to note that responsible breeders often screen their Border Collies for these eye disorders before breeding. Another health concern that is more common in Border Collies than in Australian Cattle Dogs is epilepsy. Epilepsy is a disorder characterized by recurring seizures. While the exact cause of epilepsy is often unknown, it is believed to have a genetic component. Epilepsy can be managed with medication, but it is important to seek veterinary care if you suspect your dog is having seizures. Australian Cattle Dogs, also known as Blue Heelers or Queensland Heelers, are generally a healthy breed with a similar lifespan to Border Collies. However, they do have their share of health concerns as well. One of the most notable health issues in this breed is progressive retinal atrophy, PRA, as mentioned earlier. PRA can occur in both Border Collies and Australian Cattle Dogs, and it is important for breeders to test their dogs to ensure they are not passing on this genetic disorder. Another health concern in Australian Cattle Dogs is deafness. Approximately 10% to 20% of Australian cattle dogs are deaf in one or both ears. Deafness in this breed can be either congenital or acquired. Congenital deafness is present at birth and is often caused by a lack of pigment in the inner ear. Acquired deafness, on the other hand, can be caused by factors such as infection, trauma, or age-related degeneration. It is important to note that deafness can affect a dog's quality of life, so potential owners should be prepared to provide extra care and attention to a deaf Australian cattle dog. Both Border Collies and Australian Cattle Dogs are also prone to certain autoimmune diseases, such as allergies and hypothyroidism. Autoimmune diseases occur when the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues. Common symptoms of autoimmune diseases include skin irritations, hair loss, weight gain, and lethargy. If you suspect your dog may have an autoimmune disease, it is important to consult with a veterinarian for proper diagnosis and treatment. In conclusion, both Border Collies and Australian Cattle Dogs are generally healthy breeds with their own set of health concerns. Potential owners should be aware of these issues and take necessary precautions, such as choosing a reputable breeder who screens their dogs for genetic disorders. Regular veterinary checkups, proper nutrition, exercise, and a loving environment are all key to keeping your dog healthy and happy. Remember, a little extra care goes a long way in ensuring your four-legged friend's well-being.